Hi and welcome to aftermarketing.se. If you have CarPlay in your car and you have an Audi or Volkswagen and sick and tired of that cable between your smartphone and your car, I got a solution for you. So this is a wireless CarPlay adapter from Restream. It's called Restream app. And we're gonna have a look at it. And you have to have CarPlay original in your Audi or Volkswagen. And it's quite simple. You see, it's a USB male that you connect in your car, and here's the adapter, and you also have an USB female, so you still have USB in your car. And you plug it in and take out your smartphone and sync. And to show you how easy this installation is, we're going to show it to you now.